Understanding the phrase, dim bulb, a guide for English learners. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and slightly humorous phrase in English, dim bulb. We'll explore its meaning, origin, and how to use it appropriately in conversation. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this video will shed some light on this interesting expression. So, let's illuminate our understanding of the phrase, dim bulb. Dim bulb is an idiomatic expression in English used to describe someone who is not very bright or intelligent. It's important to note that this phrase is often used humorously or sarcastically. The imagery here is of a light bulb that's not shining brightly, symbolizing a lack of intellectual brightness or sharpness. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember them better. The phrase, dim bulb, likely stems from the early 20th century when electric light bulbs became common. In this context, a bright bulb would represent someone smart or clever, while a dim bulb suggests the opposite. To get a better grasp of how to use dim bulb, let's look at some examples. 1. He's such a dim bulb, he couldn't figure out how to use the coffee machine. 2. I didn't trust her with the project because she's a bit of a dim bulb. 3. It's not surprising he got lost. He's always been the dim bulb in our group. Notice how the phrase is used to subtly or humorously comment on someone's intelligence or capability. It's crucial to understand the social context when using phrases like dim bulb. 1. In formal settings, this phrase is best used in informal situations among friends or people you know well. 2. Be cautious. Remember, it can be offensive or hurtful. It's not suitable for formal or sensitive contexts. 3. Self-deprecation. Sometimes, people use it humorously about themselves, especially when acknowledging a silly mistake. In some cultures, direct remarks about someone's intelligence can be very offensive. If you're in a situation where you need to be more polite or indirect, consider alternatives like, a bit slow on the uptake, or, not the sharpest tool in the shed, which are slightly softer. We hope this video has brightened your understanding of the phrase, dim bulb. Remember, language is not just about words but how they're used in context. Happy learning, and stay bright and curious in your language journey.